Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Boy Waldron and welcome to this vlog. In this vlog we're going to be doing the competitions for this month and last month. So let's jump straight into it. Last month we were giving away this beautiful kit here. It's Edard's 1/48 scale Supermarine Spitfire Mark 1A. Absolutely cracking kit, you cannot grumble. If you want to do a Spitfire 1/48 scale, Edard is your man. It's also the Provi pack, so you do get all that lovely photo etch in there, canopy mats and all that good stuff. Really cool competition prize. Now, after doing the usual random number generation program and counting down our database of accounts, I came to Luke Steffens. So congratulations to you, Luke Steffens, you are the winner. All you got to do is give me a bell via PM, email, whatever, with your mailing address, and I'll get it shipped out to you free of charge. Right, so that was last month's competition. Right, now this month's competition for November, I'm going to be giving away, it is by Academy. We've got ourselves a modern jet here. It's Academy's 1/48 scale USAF F-15E Eagle. Now this has got all the weapons in there. Really cool kit. Again, nice kit to give away. Loads of weapons, hopefully, as you can see just on there, loads of cool weapons. Now, as always, to be in it to win it, all you got to do is have an account on the Genesis Models website. So go over there, get yourself an account. You can have the ground crew account, which is a free account, and that gets you entered. And as I've just done, you know, I'd count down our database, and if I come to your name with the random number generation program, you are a winner. Now, if you do support Genesis Models and you have, say, a fighter pilot account, your name gets put in the database twice. If you have a fighter ace account, right, your name gets put in the database 3 times. So it gives you a bit more chance to win and a bit of a thank you for supporting Genesis Models. So there you go, get in it to win it. Sadly, that is it for a little bit of a competitions. Nice quick short vlog here, just doing our competitions. But yeah, please do go over on Genesis Models website, get yourself entered into the competition, and check out whatever videos we've got over there. So as always, until next time, my name is Boy Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.